Hi guys, today is Friday, April 17th, and we're going to get started on our math review. Remember to do your work on Seesaw this week. We have to do the counting and your place value. Don't forget. All right, you should have your paper ready, and I want you to write these numbers. 65, 64, 63. Write those numbers on your paper. 65, 64, 63. When you're finished writing those numbers, what I want you to do is count backwards. Tell me the next three numbers in that pattern if I'm counting backwards. So I started with 65, 64, 63. I want you to write the next three numbers. Remember, if you get confused because we're in the 60s, you can just take a look at the ones column. 5, 4, 3. That'll help you out with the numbers in the 60s. So 63, 62, 61, 60. Just like I said, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Use that strategy if you get stuck on your counting. Okay, the next problem I want you to draw 17 boxes. So just little squares, draw 17 of them. Count to make sure you have 17. What I did is I drew 10 across and then 7 underneath. Make a nice organized picture. And then I'm pretending that there are 5 books inside each of my boxes. So when you're done drawing the boxes, go ahead and figure out how many books there would be. There's 5 books inside each box. So after you're done drawing the boxes, go back into your counting. I said there's 5 books inside each box. I should think that you're counting by 5s because I said there's 5 books in each box. So if you haven't finished, that's okay. Count with me as I count my boxes by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. Good thing we know how to count by 5s. It would take forever to count all the way to 85. Number 3, fill in the missing numbers. So go ahead and write these numbers on your paper. 24, 26, 28. Then I want you to write the next 3 numbers. Write 24, 26, 28. And then I want you to figure out the next 3 numbers. You should be asking yourself, how's Mrs. Ouellette counting? You're right, I'm counting by 2s. So 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. Great work, guys. Counted by 2s. All right, number 4. Listen carefully. You're going to circle the number that's more than 43. So you're just going to write down the number that is more than 43. 43, 39, 29, 47. Which number is more than 43? Remember, when you're comparing numbers, you should start by looking at the tens column. So 43 starts with 4, and 43 starts with 4. That's the same number. They're not going to be more. 39 starts with 3, and 43 starts with 4. That number's smaller. 3 is smaller than 4. 29 is smaller because 2 is smaller than 4. Now these both start with 4. I have to look at the ones column. 7 and 3. 7 is more than 3. So 47 is more than 43. On number 5, listen to these directions and I want you to draw this on your paper. Draw a circle between a square and a triangle. Listen to those directions. Draw a circle between a square and a triangle. Go ahead and take some time to follow those directions. Okay, so I said draw a circle between a square and a triangle. So between just means in the middle. It doesn't matter where your square or your triangle is, but the circle should be in the middle. That's what between means. Think about who you sit between when you're at school. You might sit between somebody on the rug. You might sit between somebody at your table. All right, number 6. Which number is not like the others? 19, 59, 74, or 29? Write down the number that is not like the others. When you're looking at numbers and you're trying to figure out what's different about them, you can look and see what's the same too. So 19 has a 1 and a 9. 59 has a 5 and a 9. 74 has a 7 and a 4. And 29 has a 2 and a 9. These numbers all have 9 ones, so 74 is the one that is not like the others. That one has 4 in the ones column. Good job on your math review, guys. This is the last one for this week, and I'll see you again after April vacation. Have a good break. Bye.